Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you the new update from Instagram where you can now restore deleted posts. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to a random subscriber every week. Just subscribe and comment on this video for this week. Winners will be announced today at 6 p.m. So this was introduced by Instagram as a security measure where if your account is compromised, the hacker would delete your post to sabotage your account. You can use this feature to restore the post back to its normal state. This applies to Instagram story, photo post, video post, reels, and IGTV videos. This is a new feature on Instagram, so make sure your Instagram app is updated from the App Store or Play Store, and this works on iOS and Android devices. So first I'll delete a post on my Instagram account to simulate a post deletion. So I'll open up Instagram. Now I'll tap on my profile photo and now I'll scroll down and delete the post. Now to restore that post, you need to tap on the three lines at the top right. Now tap on settings. Then tap on accounts. Now find recently deleted. In this page, you'll find all your deleted posts. Tap on the post which you want to restore. Then tap on the three dots. Then tap on restore. Tap restore again. Here, Instagram will confirm if this is really you who is trying to restore the post by sending you a security code by text message or email. Select your option and press next. Now enter in the code and confirm it. Once that is done, go back to your profile page and navigate to the location of that post. If you still don't see it, refresh your Instagram profile page. Your post should reappear back to its normal place and all the likes and comments should return back as well. Do remember you have to restore the post within 30 days of the deletion or it will be permanently deleted. And there you go, that is a new update from Instagram where you can now restore deleted posts from your Instagram account. Hope you found this useful. I post social media and iOS device related tutorials every single day, so if you enjoy this content, then please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.